Hello, my name is Ji-Eun Lee. Today, let's explore rheumatoid arthritis, and rice bodies. In our imaging studies, we observe numerous tiny nodules with intermediate signal intensity. These small, irregular interarticular structures, known as rice bodies, demonstrate intermediate signals on both STIR and T1 weighted images. It's important to note that these tiny bodies show no fat signal, as they are composed of fibrinous tissue. When we examine the sagittal image, we can see a dependent layering pattern. This characteristic indicates that these particles are mobile rather than fixed to the synovium. While rice bodies are indeed a feature commonly associated with rheumatoid arthritis, it's crucial to understand that they are not exclusive to rheumatoid arthritis. We also encounter these structures in other conditions such as tuberculous arthritis, various infectious arthritides, juvenile idiopathic arthritis, and chronic synovitis. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like it.